Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a poll on Instagram stories. But before talking about it, I want to start with the question, what is Instagram story? What are Instagram stories? So let's start. The number of active users on Instagram stories is more than 400 million, and it is no surprise the platform is so popular. For viewers, IG stories are a quick and easy way to get caught up on what's happening right now with the people and brands you follow. And for those creating content, Instagram stories offer a fun suite of tools for engaging with your friends, fans, and followers in the moment. If you're brand new to Instagram stories, just follow us. And if you're looking to dive in a little deeper, I'll just give you some information about, for example, what are Instagram stories. We'll start with the most basic question. What is an Instagram story or IG story? And it's a photo or video clip up to 15 seconds that you post to Instagram that vanishes after 24 hours. And instead of displaying within your primary Instagram feed, it's showcased at the top of an active user app in a row with the stories of all other accounts they follow. It can also be viewed from your Instagram profile when a viewer taps on your profile picture. A colorful line will appear in a circle around your picture when you've got a new story to view. And why should you use Instagram stories? There are so many different places to be when it comes to social media, so why should you be using Instagram stories? Well, for starters, it's one of the fastest growing social platforms out there. As a consumer, your friends are there. As a business, your customers are there, and you should be too. And I think this is clear now about Instagram stories, and we can just go on with how to make a poll on Instagram stories. So in this video, we are diving into how to set up a poll in an Instagram story. I'll just show you here. Polls are a great way to engage your audience on Instagram stories and learn something from them while you're at it. And you can add polls to any of your stories, whether you're using just, some apps for that, or building your story in Instagram, and looking to learn how to take advantage of this Instagram story feature. In this video, we'll share how to set up an Instagram story poll, how to view and share the results of your poll, best practices for doing polls on Instagram story posts, and ideas for Instagram story polls. So let's start with how to set up an Instagram story poll. Setting up a poll on Instagram stories is easy to do. We'll break it down quickly with some step-by-step instructions and then dive in to give you more information. At first, create a new Instagram story. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Tap to select the poll sticker icon. Fill in the question for your poll. Tap your story or send to share your poll to your story. And now on to the more in-depth instructions. Just follow the images here. I'll just show you. You can create a poll using the poll sticker on any type of Instagram story. So open Instagram, create a new story of any kind, and tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. This will open up Instagram's collection of stickers, and tap the one that says poll. And this will add a poll sticker to your story, tap on the text to replace ask a question with the question you'd like to ask in your poll. Note that you can also leave these blank. And you can also tap on yes and no to replace that text as well if your poll isn't a yes or no question. And you can hold and drag to resize and reposition your poll. When you're done, simply tap your story or send to share, and then just wait for the results of your poll to start rolling in. And how to view and share results of Instagram polls. Once your poll is up, how do you view the results? You'll notice that this is just, you need to simply view your own story and then tap in the lower left corner where it says seen by X viewers, and this will open up a screen that not only shows you all the viewers but who voted and how many votes you've gotten for each answer on your poll. And see that share results button? Tapping that will open up the results in a way that you can easily share right back to your story. Just like that. And best practices for Instagram story polls. When it comes to Instagram story polls, it's pretty self-explanatory, but there are a few things to keep in mind for maximum poll success. And here they are. When positioning your poll, keep it out of the very upper left-hand corner, and this is where your avatar appears and you don't want it to block your poll question. Make sure it's clear what you're asking and include emojis when replacing yes or no. Keep in mind that you can include emojis. Emojis are attention grabbing and can help make your poll more enticing. And remember, your story is only up for 24 hours, and don't forget to come back to check in on the results. Use imagery such as a video to illustrate what you are asking in your poll, and just make sure to position your poll sticker doesn't cover up important parts of your imagery. And some ideas for Instagram story polls. Finally, if you're looking to start using more polls in your Instagram stories but need a little inspiration, we've thrown together some ideas. As a reminder, polls are a nice way to get your followers to engage, but that's not all. You can also use polls to really get to know more about your audience. Here are some prompts to help you get started. The examples in this section will be very helpful, I'm pretty sure about that. For example, ask yes or no questions. A yes or no question is the simplest poll. You can use it to get an opinion or use it as a quick test to just draw interest. For instance, would you be interested in X new product? Yes or no. Have you seen X? Yes or no. Should I ask yes or no? Etc. Or ask an X or Y question. Rather than asking a yes or no question, you can replace the yes or no in the poll sticker with two separate things to find out people's preferences. For instance, which color sweatshirt would you prefer? Blue or gray? Or what content would you like to see more of? Tutorials or jokes? What's your favorite type of pie? Pumpkin or apple? Etc. And drove interest with a sliding poll. Note that you don't have to always offer two options for your poll. Instead of selecting the poll stickers we've discussed in this video, try using the sliding poll sticker to draw interest. And select the sticker with the sliding heart eyes emoji next to the poll sticker to get started. Then edit the text to ask your question. You can also slide through to select an emoji for your sliding poll. And have you used polls on Instagram stories, and what are your favorite types of questions to ask? Just let me know in the comments below. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.